Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Lori Armanuel, 34 years old, married. I have 3 children, ages 13, 11, and 9. I am college level.
Do you have working experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, Madam, Sir. I had work experience in Bahrain for 4 years and 2 months from September 5, 2016 to November 22, 2020. I'm taking care children 4 years old.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is taking care of kids, cleaning, washing clothes, and do all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will taking good care of them, cook for them, feeding them.
Please tell us some of your skills.
My degree is medical secretarial, but I can cook Filipino food and willing to learn more on cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam, Sir, it is necessarily to be hardworking, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam, Sir, I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you and God bless.